In today's episode, we will be learning how you can subscribe to Zangi Premium using your mobile device. To do so, launch open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log in. Once you end up in the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the settings menu, look for an option that says Zangi Premium. Simply tap on it and then go ahead and click on the monthly option that is in blue at the bottom. Review the benefits of Zangi Premium and you will be directed to the App Store's payment page. Or if you're using Android, you'll be in the Google Play Store's payment page. Enter your payment details if required and confirm the purchase. Once the payment is processed, you will then be able to see that you have subscribed to Zangi Premium. You can then enjoy the exclusive features and benefits available to premium users. So that's how you easily do it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.